Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week our focus is on body composition, and with body composition we're really taking into consideration all of the other areas of health related fitness, the muscular strength and endurance, cardiorespiratory endurance, improving flexibility, and we use all of that to affect or impact our body composition. So by body composition we're simply talking about the composition of your body, for lack of a better way of putting it, what your body's made up of. And so we're talking about specifically muscle versus fat. And hopefully your body's made up of more lean tissue rather than fatty tissue. And of course that's simply controlled through diet and physical activity. And so we've talked a lot about the physical activity portion. We'll cover the nutrition and diet and achieving optimal body weight coming up. And so with body composition though, it's very important to understand when you're looking at factors like the body mass index and weight, understanding what the weight is made up of, because honestly muscle weighs more than fat, and so it can be easy to get caught up in what the scale says, which is often not as important as how you look, and certainly not as important as the percentage of body fat that you have. So that needs to be your real focus, is eliminating body fat. Alright guys, as always I'm here for you if you need me. A quick run through though, this week is different. We've got a checklist in the video as usual, the PowerPoint as usual, and the quiz. However, this week you do not have to do a physical activity assignment or a lab, because you need to also complete your unit test. So I've taken out 2 activities so you would have time to complete the unit test for chapters 3 through 6. Alright guys, I'm here for you as always. Have a great week.